A college student, Sean, looking sleepy, was sudden. Her pencil slipped from his weak grip.
Tired? Out of focus? Parang walang energy? Maybe you're lacking protein.
A mom struggling to carry her heavy grocery bags.
Ako, ang result cards sa SLSTs, pero nasubukan ko ang protigo mas nasakana ang aking araw-araw.
An athlete, Joshua, frustrated because his ankle injury is taking too long to heal.
This injury used to take me forever to heal. Mabuti na lang, may vertigo. Mali nga lakas ko.